We start by reverse printing on a 12-micron transparent PET, then laminating with a 28-micron BOPP white. The lamination is made in line with our innovative system called Solventless lamination with a proprietary two-component solventless adhesive system. We're using new low migration UV LED inks made by Flint, cured with our latest generation Pro LED UV curing system. It's simple to set up our job with Mark Andy's load and lock inking system, which cuts down setup times significantly. The tool-less operation is simple and operator-friendly. Inserting ink tray into the print station. Inserting analogs roll. Inserting Mark Andy's Smart Blade Dr. Blade system. Adjusting the pressure between Dr. Blade and analogs roll. Changing the repeat size of the print cylinder. Inserting print cylinder. Inserting Trezu chamber drip pan. Inserting Trezu ink chamber. Inserting analogs roll. Locking printing station. Filling ink chamber with glue component. Inserting tint sleeve. Register sensor positioning. Kiss print adjustment. Lateral register adjustment by joystick. Axial register adjustment by joystick. Registration control on the BST camera. Printing speed increasing. Taking off the rewinder lay-on arm.